Alright guys, in this video we're doing some nice and smoky, hot and fast chicken wings on the mill scale offset smoker. I got a tequila lime glaze I'm gonna slap on there. It's gonna taste amazing, so stick around guys, check it out. Here we go. Alright, so I got these whole chicken wings right here as you can see. So you could choose to go through and just slice them down the middle, and you could have the drum and the flat. And you know, you can take the wing tips off if you want, but I'm leaving it whole just because I like them like this. But you can choose obviously to do it how you want. Just gonna dry these off a little bit. I got this Suckle Buster's Clucker Dust, I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna try to go through it. But if I wasn't using that, I would just use salt, pepper, and some granulated garlic, and maybe a little bit of chili powder or something like that. But I'm just gonna season these up pretty well. Super easy, straightforward cook. So like I said, we're going on the offset smoker. There's a couple different methods you could do. You could choose to go to lower temperatures, say like 250 degrees for like 45 minutes. Or, you know, for a little time, and then crank up the heat to like 325, 350. But me personally, just straight out the gate, I like going hot and fast. I find it doesn't make too much of a difference if you run at a lower temperature. So that's how I'm gonna do it. So I'll see you outside. We got some post oak smoke going, getting the wings on. Gonna try to keep it around 325, maybe a little bit more, a little bit less. Obviously most people know the chicken's done at 165, but when I do wings or any kind of dark meat, usually let it go to like 180, 185, never dries out. That's how I'm gonna do it. I'm figuring this might take around an hour, maybe a little bit more, I don't know. We'll see. But that's it, I'm just gonna let it roll, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, so this is what we're looking like, an hour and a half on the smoker. Obviously, these would be awesome just to eat these by themselves how they are, but I'm gonna make that sauce. So by the time this rests, that sauce will be made. It's gonna take like 15 minutes to make the sauce. Not gonna take that long at all. So I'm gonna let this hang out, and then we're gonna get it going. All right, so for this glaze, I got a pan right here on medium heat. I'm gonna coat the bottom with some olive oil, a few tablespoons. I'll put all the ingredients down below if you wanna check it out. So I kinda just eyeballed it. I got like a third of an onion and a couple Serranos, finely minced up. Give that a couple minutes just to soften up in the pan. 3 cloves of garlic, finely minced. Give that like 1 more minute. Also a little bit of salt and pepper. 1 cup of freshly squeezed lime juice. So I got some Repasado tequila. I'm gonna use 1 cup of that. So equal parts lime juice, equal parts tequila. Any tequila that you would drink, just use that. We're gonna bring the heat up a little more. Just cook off the alcohol. So to add a little bit of sweetness to this, I'm gonna do 1 big old squirt of some honey. Agave would be really good too, if you had it, but I don't have any. And I got a couple big tablespoons of some brown sugar. A little splash of some soy sauce. I got the zest of 2 limes. Taste it for seasoning. Tastes good. You could put other things in here if you want to put other spices like chili powder or some cumin or something like that. You can put it in, but I'm just going to leave it how it is. I like how it tastes. Just keep it nice and simple. So all you want to do, let this simmer for like 10 minutes. Let it reduce by half until it gets nice and a little bit thicker. And then we're just pour it on the wings, and it's going to be nice. All right, so at the very end, I'm putting some ice cold butter in here, like 3 tablespoons. You want it cold so it emulsifies really good, makes everything all velvety and just makes it nice. I got a big handful of cilantro. All right, get yourself a big old bowl, toss the wings in there. So there it is, guys. Smoked chicken wings on the mill scale offset smoker with that tequila lime glaze I threw on there. Gotta try it out. So good. So you definitely taste the smokiness. The lime juice is coming through. Taste a little bit of tequila, a little bit spicy. You get the sweetness from the brown sugar and the honey I threw in there. This is definitely worth giving a shot. Cinco de Mayo's coming up. Memorial Day's coming up. People are gonna be outside grilling. This is the perfect thing to do. But like always, thank you for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Have a good one. Peace out.